Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about hand embroidery designs and ideas. Hand embroidery is a beautiful and relaxing art that anyone can learn. It uses simple needle and thread to create lovely designs on fabric. You don't need expensive tools, just a needle, some colorful threads and a piece of cloth. There are many types of hand embroidery designs. Some are simple like small flowers, leaves or hearts. These are perfect for beginners. Other designs are more detailed like birds, patterns or traditional motifs. With practice you can create anything you imagine. One of the best thing about hand embroidery is that it is very flexible. You can decorate clothes, cushion covers, tablecloths or even make wall art. It also allows you to mix colors and stitches in your own creative way. There are basic stitches that are easy to learn like the running stitch, back stitch, chain stitch and satin stitch. You can practice these. You can combine them to make beautiful designs. Hand embroidery is not just a hobby, it also helps you relax your mind. It improves focus and patience. Many people enjoy doing embroidery in their free time because it makes them feel calm and happy. If you are just starting, being with simple designs and take your time. Don't worry about mistakes, they are part of learning. With practice your work will become neat and more beautiful. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos, you can decorate your dresses, your bed sheets, pillow covers, curtains with beautiful hand embroidery designs. New and attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.